My name is Jake Toomer, Project Manager for CC Group's Plumbing Division CCP&D, formerly known as Christopher Contracting. CC Group has been in business for over 30 years. We specialise in commercial, residential and industrial, civil and hydraulic installations. CC Group maintains staff levels between 150 and 200 employees each year, ranging from licensed plumbers, operators, apprentices and labourers. Generally, my role consists of managing the costs, controlling the scope, identifying hazards and mitigating risks, sequencing and programming our works and setting realistic targets for our site teams and motivating them to hit these targets. Effective communication with our managing contractor and other site personnel is a key aspect of my role. We're here at the new Coomera Hospital project, part of the Queensland State Government's expansion program. We've been engaged by the managing contractor in Multiplex to carry out the site-wide in-ground hydraulic infrastructure throughout the new health precinct here. At CC Group, we have a wide range of earth-moving machinery and specialised trenching equipment. As for our excavators, we range from 47 tonne down to 5 tonne. Working with Attach2 has been nothing short of brilliant. Talking with our operators on site and just being involved with the products here on site, they're second to none really. Not only do they provide a great product, their service at Attach2 is absolutely fantastic. I would recommend anyone looking to purchase new or upgrade their current equipment to definitely look into Attach2. Their products are great and their service is second to none.